In this video, we are going to talk about words that are different words that but kind of give a similar action. I'll show you what we mean. Let's listen to this sentence.
It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full.
So it says it rained until every river gushed and gurgled. The words gushed and gurgled are two ways to describe how the river sounded after it rained and rained. Both of them mean the same thing. Both of them mean the sound that the river was making. Let's look at some more examples. Let's read this page about the porcupine and see if we can find two words that mean the similar thing.
A porcupine sniffed around. "It's time," she whispered. "The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell the zebras."
Can you think of what words might mean the same thing here? If a porcupine is sniffing, what is she doing? She is smelling stuff. She's going up and using her nose to smell it. So sniffed and smell mean very close to the same thing, because if you sniff a flower, you are smelling it to see what it smells like. Let's read these two pages and listen for two words that might mean a similar thing.
Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long, feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh, green leaves.
Can you think of two words there that might mean the same thing? What about grew and sprout? Let me read these again and let me flip the words. Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long feathery grasses sprouted from the soil. Every tree began to grow fresh green leaves. Did it make sense when I put sprouted and where grew went, and I put grow and where sprout was? Sure it did, because when a tree sprouts fresh green leaves, the leaves grow on the trees, right? And when grasses grow up from the soil, they sprout up from the soil. They start out real little and get bigger. So grew and sprout have very similar meanings here. We could swap them out and it would still make sense. It just describes the action in a little bit different of a way. Thank you for doing this video with me today, boys and girls. Have a great day.